Hi everyone. There have branch of benefit of mass uploading using Excel. One of these is fast and efficient. Another one is time saving. Let's begin on how to do that step by step.
First of all, we want to choose the product from Chinabrand to Shopee. We can choose this from Hot Sale tab. Under this tab, you can see a lot of the items listed under this column. Choose the product that you want and then hit the button, export it to the download list. Product that you choose will keep it in download list. Choose as many products as you want. For here, let's say we choose pendulum, coffee maker, smartwatch, bag, and etc. We can hit the button of Next Page to choose the item as many as we want. Maybe we choose like this one, no anti-bug color, and we keep on choosing maybe this one, the chargeable bag, and the Lego building block, maybe, or these two, LED light and the dog bed. It looked quite interesting. We continue choosing maybe for the shovel, maybe, and we continue choosing mic stand, hair dryer, earbud, vacuum, electric vacuum, and shower. After that, we go to the download list. At this column, we double check the item that we are download. Some of the item may not longer be sold. That is alright, we just proceed. After confirmations, we hit all, selected all, and then hit the button of bulk price. In the bulk price, we choose Shopee, and for the shipping tool, we choose United States. You can choose for your country. And for the shipping method, we choose DHL. After that, the profit margins, we choose 12% and hit OK. Under the download task, the task will be needed for some time to download. We just wait for a while. Here we go. After complete download, we hit the download table to download the file. After the file is complete download, we open the folder and open the first list of the Excels. Wrap the text so that it organizes nicely. Go to the column of the SKU variations. Copy it. Why we have to copy that? Because inside the Shopee download file, there is no field for category, as we need to retrieve that same SKU item in Chinabrand download list due to the system will erase the item after download. Hence, we want to import the same SKU item into the Chinabrand download list again by, by hitting the batch import SKU with this Excel format as shown here. Paste the SKU item here and click Save. Go back to the Chinabrand website download list. Click the button of Batch Import SKU and choose the Excel file we just saved and hit Import. After successfully import the same SKU item, you can see the same item appear in the Chinabrand download list page. But for now, we choose which platform Excel file to download so that we can retrieve
the same SKU items category. While waiting for the download process to be complete, that may take few seconds, so we just be patient. This is the column of category that we want. Before that, let's go back to the Shopee Excel file and insert a new column next to the SKU column. Now we use the VLOOKUP functions to look at the SKU item at which Excel file, and the table should be started at SKU item and return the number 6 column value back to the Shopee corresponding SKU. Note that the 0 means the lookup should be the exactly match. Before we assign the number code of category to the items, first of all, we need to sort out the variance item from non-blank to blank. This is for the easier uploading process later. Just highlight the first row of the data and apply the filter to it. Then we go through each of the variant items one by one and sort it from A to Z. And do the same sorting for the rest of the variance item 3rd, 4th, and so on. Then go back to the category column, copy it together with the SKU column, and place it to the new sheet. Place it by value. Split it by using text to column under the data tab. Separate the category with comma. Believe it or not, this step is efficient to assign the category code from Shopee to each of the SKU items. Apply the filter on the top. After this, go back to the Shopee website of My Product page. Click on the new product under Batch 2 tab and extract all the category code from Shopee. Under Category List, copy all the category code and paste into the new sheet of Shopee Excel file. The same thing, apply the filter onto it. Then start assign the category code to the SKU item. For example, baby car seat. We search for the keyword of baby first at the first column. Then we scope down to search for the seat, for the word of seat. Here it is, baby car seat. Copy that code and paste it to the corresponding SKU item. And then do the same thing to the rest of the SKU item. Just be patient to finish it up. After finish the category code assigning, copy it and paste it into the first column of the Shopee file Excel file list. Go back to the Shopee website of Add New Product page. Download the template. Open the template. Here is look like. Fill it up with the data we just prepared in the Shopee Excel file. First, fill out the category code together with the item name and descriptions. Then fill up with the product wage. The price and the stock quantity column is not mandatory if the item have variations. As for estimated ship out days needed, we put 7 days for safety precaution. Next, fill up the first variant SKU item and its name. As for the price, due to the currency we use is in US dollar, if you want to change to your country currency, you can do it by insert a new column next to the price column. We can apply the functions of round up to round up the item price times your country currency to 0 decimal place. And then put discount to your customer, maybe of 2 cents, which is minus the outcome with 0.02. And also fill up the stock quantity. Do the same to fill up the rest of the variation SKU item with SKU number and stock quantity. Last but not least, fill out the image of the item. There is only 8 columns for the image uploading. Fill it out. The rest of the columns, just leave it blank. Now we come to validate the data that we fill out. Hit the button of validate for the macro to check the error. As you can see, the red mark that highlighted error, which is the product name exceeding 80 characters. Do the corrections to that lengthy product names. After data validations and there is no error, this is the time to upload the product. Hitting the export button and save that Excel file for readiness to upload. Select the Excel file that we saved just now and upload it. Here it is. We are finally successfully upload the item in mass. Select all the items to proceed. Now the process of upload photo may take time. Just wait for a moment. Now we proceed to add attribute to the item. We can apply the same attribute to same product of same category. Finally, we come to the last step, which is publishing the product. Here it is. The product has been successfully been uploaded. Congratulations, we have done all this. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. See you next time.